Hello, presentation. My name is Andrea Castro. How are you? 34 years old. Where are you from? Bogotá. Where are family? Bogotá. What is perfect health administration? Family description. She is Camila Castro. She is daughter. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. Where old are you? 20 years old. She is like plain sky. She is student. She is Rubiela Castro. She is sister. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. Where old are you? She is 41 years old. She is like exercise. What's your profession? She is author. She is Sophia. She is 19. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. How old are you? She is 60 years old. She is like Ripuk. She is a student. His face. His pet. Where are you from? She is from Bogotá. Where are you from? She is 4 years old. He is like asleep.